Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to apply this grainy distortion to your video footage in Premiere Pro. Support me on Buy Me a Coffee to help bring you more tutorials, link in the description. I already added a video clip to my timeline. As the first step, create an adjustment layer, drag and drop it above your video, and make sure its duration matches the video. Next, select the adjustment layer and go over to the Effects panel. Start by searching for Directional Blur, and double-click to apply it to the selected footage. Then, search for Mosaic and double-click to add it. Next, search for Tint and double-click to add it. After that, search for Brightness and Contrast and double-click to add it. Lastly, search for Noise and double-click to add it. Now, go over to the Effect Controls panel. I'll close the drop-down menus for now to make it easier to see all the applied effects. Let's edit them one by one. Directional Blur. Change the direction to 90 and the blur length to 100. Mosaic. Change the horizontal blocks to 200 and vertical blocks to 50 and check the Sharp Colors box. Tint. Leave the colors as black and white. Brightness and Contrast. Adjust the contrast to 40. Noise. Uncheck Use Color Noise and set the noise amount to 100. Now, take a look at your video. It's done. If you want your video to be clearer, go back to the Effect Controls panel and reduce the opacity to your preference. If you have any questions, comment below and I will reply as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.